Hi guys, today I'm making a video on how you can run RPLidar locally on your Windows WSL, right? So RPLidar is a low-cost LiDAR scanner that is able to scan an area and create a map out of it. So it's going to show you how you can run it on WSL. The first thing you would want to install is USB IPD. Alright, so if you go to Google and search how to list USB on WSL, you will see a recommendation to install this tool, USB IPD. And yeah, this is it, USB IPD list. So to install it, you have to go here. Well, if you go to this documentation, connect USB, you should see the documentation on it. So you would want to install this file. I already downloaded it and installed it. It's the same process of installing any other software. So this is it. Alright, so when you run it, you install it, and then you open PowerShell as administrator. When you open PowerShell as administrator, you can then do the USB IPD list. But before you do this, you should open a WSL instance. Right, so just have WSL running by typing WSL. So I guess this should make WSL run. Right, so then you can then type this command USB IPD list. So you should not see a device yet. These are just my default devices, my camera, fingerprint sensor, and Bluetooth. So I'm going to then connect the device now, the RPLidar. And when I do list again, you can see the BUS ID, and this is it, USB to UART bridge, and it's shared already. If you want to attach it to WSL, you run this command USB IPD attach WSL. Then this BUS ID should match this, so match the UART device. And so when I run this, it should then begin to attach. I unfortunately did not show the USB device before I attached it, so TTY star. So this is it here. If I unattach it, just going to check the command to remove the attachment. Detach. So if we detach it, you should see that it's no longer there. Yeah. So it is detached, and if we run this ls dev tty, we should not see USB 0 anymore. So that's it. When once it's, let me attach it again. Once it's attached, and you can see the USB device, you can then run the command to um, get RPLidar running. So this this is it. RPLidar SDK. I'm running an A1 RPLidar. Right, so you just need to install it for Linux. So basically, all you need to do is clone this repo, copy the repo, go to your WSL and git clone the repo. Yeah, this is it. These are the files. So then you just have to run make. Right, if you do run make, it's going to build the file. It doesn't take time at all, and you should see the output directory. So output Linux and release, and you should see the files. So these are different executables that run RPLidar. So the SDK gives you the ability to write your own code for RPLidar. So that's basically it. So you can then move those files to your bin directory, which is what I did, and just have them in bin. Alright, then you can then link them. So that should be like sudo lns RPLidar all to USR local bin. So if you run this, it's going to link those files, and if you then lsla USR local bin the simple grabber. You see, it's a sim link, right? And it's same with ultra simple and custom board rate. So that's how to run RPLidar. So let's just run one RPLidar command. I have it on my clipboard. Okay, not that. That should be this ultra simple. And this is channel serial. Okay, let me stop that. Channel serial, and this is the device, and this is the baud rate. So I'm just going to run that again, and you can see the angle and the distance showing up. So that's the basic way to run RPLidar. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching, and I am going to just detach this before I leave. And yeah, thank you.